Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Sundance earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, Czech lavender glass leaf with topaz luster beads, Czech glass fire polished glass 10 millimeter round medium amethyst with white luster, 6 millimeter jump rings, ear wires, and eye pins. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Sundance earrings. We're going to start off by grabbing one of our eye pins and our 10 millimeter Czech glass amethyst with white luster. And we're just going to form a simple loop. We're going to bend that wire down. Come over. We're going to trim off that little end. We're going to grab our round nose pliers and we are just going to roll the wire towards us to form our simple loop. Let's do that one more time. We're going to grab our eye pin, our 10 millimeter amethyst white luster bead. We're bending that wire down. We're going to come over with our wire cutters, trim that little end. Now we're going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Now we're going to open our loop. This is how you open and close the loop. We're going to open it, grab our other looped bead and close the loop. We're going to come back in and we are going to pick up one of our jump rings. This is how you open and close a jump ring. We're going to open that jump ring, attach a jump ring. Actually, we're going to attach two to save time. And we're going to close the jump ring. Let's check and make sure they're all lined up. Now we're going to open this jump ring, attach it, and close the jump ring. So you have 3 jump rings hanging down. We need to attach 6 millimeter jump rings to each one of the Czech glass leaves. I already did 8 of the leaves to save time. We will need 9 in total. So we're going to come over and we're just gently placing the leaf onto the jump ring. And that's how you would close it. But what we're going to do is go to the bottom jump ring, attach it, and close the loop. Let's pick up our next leaf, coming over, finding the opening, open it. Now we're going to the second jump ring, right? Or actually it's the first, but we're going to the side. And we're just going to attach it, come back in, and close that jump ring. We're going to pick up our next leaf and we are going to find the opening, open it, and we're going to go to the other side of that same jump ring, attach it, and close the jump ring. Picking up our next leaf, we're going to come over, we're going to open it, go to the second jump ring, attach, close. Let's grab another one of our leaves. We're going to open, go to the other side of that same jump ring, and close the jump ring. Leaf number 6, we're going to open it, go to the third jump ring, attach and close, grab number 7, open, go to the other side of that same jump ring, attach and close. Our last 2 leaves, we're going to attach to each side of this bottom loop. So let's open the jump ring, go to the loop, insert, and we're closing that jump ring. And now let's grab this leaf, we're going to open, and we're going to find the other side of the loop, attach, and close the jump ring. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open it, attach it, and close. A little tip for these jump rings, make sure they are thin jump rings so that they will slide into the leaf bead hole. And there you have it, how to create my Sundance earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week, howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.